Dear Christopher, here is your friend Thomas the Tank Engine. He wanted to come out of his station yard and see the world. These stories tell you how he did it. I hope you will like them, because you helped me to make them. Your loving Daddy.
One day, Thomas was so bored. I am so bored, said Thomas. I felt like we had done that joke in the last episode, cried James. Yeah, I think. Well, I also thought we done it in the last episode, said Percy. Yeah, me too, said Gordon. Yeah, said everyone. Good afternoon, engines, or is it still morning? If the camera focus, that is. Okay. Yeah. Today is gonna be a special day today, said the back controller. said Tom Hat. What is it, sir? Asked Thomas. Before that, where's Emily? Cried the back controller. Said Tom Hat. Well, probably because she's a girl, sir. Because this guy can't do girl voices if we don't have no girlfriends because we don't really want them, said James. Yeah, said Percy. Ouch. Okay. I see, said the fat controller. The fat controller knew they were right about that statement they made to him. What's the special, sir? Cried James. Special? Oh yeah, special. I forgot about that because I'm distracted by talking about girl again. To the back controller. That's the first video of all of you being here on McBlock's farm. Oh, sorry, Henry. Anyway, Percy, I need you to go to Brenham Docks and get the mail train. Oh boy, sir. Percy blew his whistle, but Gordon. Percy blew his whistle, but that's gonna be added later in editing. Because I'm too lazy to do it now. This guy's lazy. Percy hopped and he hopped away. Whee! But then, when Percy got to Brenham Docks, he flipped over and said, this is very small, said Percy. Percy did not get why this Brenham Docks was so small. Hey, Cranky, why is it so small? I don't know, said Cranky. Because it has, I don't know. Because we're too lazy to go in the kitchen and make a big setup. Percy. Meanwhile, back at Titmouse Sheds. Why did it take so long to cut back to Ash? I don't know, said Thomas. Also, but that's a good point. Why is Brenham Docks so small? Don't know. But I don't know. That's the honest answer I have. I don't know. Said Topham Hatt. Thomas said, "Now we really ran out of ideas what to say in this video already," said Thomas. "Yeah, I guess we did," cried James. Oh, what a dignity, quite golden. Wait a minute, if William looks so small, how am I supposed to deliver the flying kipper? I don't know, Henry. I'm probably trying to do a new voice for everybody, aren't we? Yeah, probably, you put that in your face. The something a minute ago. Well, anyway. Maybe matters what version I do, I don't know. I say Will Base is golden. Oh yeah, you do. Say golden. Yeah. If the camera zoom in, I got it. Yeah, I know golden, but yeah. Uh-oh. Quite the bad controller. I'll be right back and then I go bathroom. Okay, back to Percy's plot as I'm flying here. Finally, I got my mail card. Said Percy. My plot's all done, Thomas. Well, already. You get your mail cards, and that's it, said Thomas. Yeah, just give me mail cards. That's the full point of the episode, I think. Oh, cried Thomas. Why'd you get so dramatic, zoom in? Where's my dramatic zoom in? Said James. Yeah, I got dramatic zoom in. Yeah, look how pixelated I am. Really? You wanted to be pixelated? Who the heck wanted to be pixelated? Wait, I'm not showing my face, said Gordon. But we're too lazy to turn the camera around to you, said Gordon. Gordon thought to go to McDonald's. Yeah. Oh gosh, whoever have this top hat, said Gordon. I'm fine now. Did you say you're going to McDonald's? Yeah, just one is going to can. Let's go, Mr. Gordon. Enjoy the Wham TikTok. Bye. Bye.
A new engine had arrived and he wanted to say hello. The engine was beautiful, with shiny paintwork and a gleaming brass dome.
Thomas, meet Emily.
Hello.
Hello to you. Emily, collect your coaches, please. You and your driver must learn the line.
Yes, sir, she answered. Thomas was impressed.
Who are you?
I am Thomas the Tank Engine.
He's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. He hops and pops and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's a really useful engine we adore. He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so. Now he's got a branch line to call his very own. He's a